Hello. Our group comprises on 3 members. This is Ibadullah from Electronics Engineering Department, Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, Pakistan.
This is Sohaib Ahmed from Department of Electronics Engineering, Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, Pakistan.
This is Surajpur from Department of Electronics Engineering, Jamshoro, Pakistan.
Our project is basically a sign language recognition system. The core component is Arduino Nano 33BLE sense module. And this is the Arduino Nano 33BLE sense module.
1.
We have used OV7675 camera or 33BLE sense module kit to detect the images for the signs.
The output is observed on a serial monitor which processes the images. 1. Comparing the pre-programmed sign and demonstrate the meaning of them.
We have trained our model through edge-impulse platform by giving samples of each sign with different angles and perspectives to reach out the task with maximum efficiency by avoiding the error.
We are using a tiny machine learning kit that includes Arduino Nano 33BLE sense light and a stand, an OV7675 camera module, a USB-A and a micro USB cable as well. This kit is in collaboration with Edge Impulse platform for training the given model. Multiple samples are uploaded in data acquisition section for each sign. Each sample is unique in terms of viewing angle and frame of reference. The first step is creating the impulse for a given sign while keeping the image size 96 by 96 pixels. The next step includes the training of images by using the uploaded samples. Third step is known as classifier step, which includes measurement of accuracy and precision of each sample. In the end, the trained model is being built. While selecting the Arduino library, the Arduino library is built successfully now. Now connect the 33DLE Sense module with the laptop. After downloading the zip file code from Edge Impulse and resetting the kit once, that code is uploaded via Arduino IDE software. Now the system is ready to capture image every 2 seconds. Initially has the happy sign that is detected by our model and displayed on serial monitor. Secondly, a sign of done is observed. The values for known signs are much higher than those that aren't identified. Thirdly, a pleasant hello sign can also be seen under observation.
The major problem that we faced was finding a camera compatible with the given scenario. So we started with the ESP32 camera with the I2C LCD, and that was showing error while uploading the code.
It was replaced by Arduino Nano 33BLE Sense for capturing images with respect to the given signs.